XDP 800 IPR miniature deburring machine is divided into three parts: deburring machine, absorption fan, wet dust collector. Before placing the equipment, place a rubber shell container under the anchor feet and adjust the anchor screw at the bottom of the equipment to fix it. A bumper level is placed on the convey platform, and the anchor screw can be adjusted until the bumper level. Then connect the absorption fan and the wet dust collector pointer. The third step, connect the main electrical power supply and connect the main air source. Finally, install the abrasive belt and the water level of the wet dust collectors before commissioning. The following is a step-by-step demonstration. The top section part is connected to the T with a diameter 200 mm hose. It's necessary to measure the size and cut the corrugated hose resistance. After installation, lock with hose clamp, then wrap tightly with thin tape. This completes a top installation. This is the absorption equipment. When receive the goods, the muffler is separated from absorption machine. The installation is fixed with screw and the connection between the muffler and the absorption machine. Once fixed, collect with diameters 200 mm hose on the muffler. The absorption fan and the deburring machine are connected with diameters 250 mm corrugated hose. After connection, fixed with hose clamp. The data connectors box is connected to the wet dust collector and fixed with self-tap. One end is connected to the hose of the deburring machine, and the other end is connected to the hose on the muffler. Both ends are fixed with a hose clamp. This completes the connections of the absorption fan and muffler fan. In the upper right corner, the numbers 1, 2, 3 indicate the connection of the main power cable and connected by the series number. The zero line interface is at the indicated N position. The thinner one is the power cord of the wet dust collector, connected by position and color below. The thicker power cord is the absorption fan, which is connected to the mark in the lower right corner. In addition, the ground wires of the two machines are connected at this marked location. After connecting all the cables, turn the switch. The light in this position shows that two lights are on, which means normal standby if only one indicator is on. The position of a main power cable is reversed. Turn off the main switch, check and adjust it, and then it will be restored to normal. Once the power connection is up, we need to connect this main air line at the bottom. Before installing the abrasive belts, please remove the connection plate at the front and back of the equipment. Remove the lock handle first, Then select the appropriate method of the abrasive belt to install. When installing the abrasive belt, follow the direction of the abrasive belt and the direction indicated on the equipment. After installation, press the tensioning cylinders button. Fix locking handle. So we have abrasive belt installed. Before starting the equipment, add water to the tank of wet dust collector. And this is the intake valve. And here is the drain valve. So this is the overflow valve. When add water, pay attention to the highest water level. Usually, the most encountered is the problem abrasive belt deviation. If the abrasive belt is deviating the outward, release handle, give it gentle turn to the right. Conversely, gently adjust to the left until centered. Then lock the handle, so the cylinders swing back and forth evenly. The abrasive belt won't go astray. The thickness of the plate is measured before the foam abrasive. Then open the control panel and etch the actual thickness in the setting thickness field. Finally, all the start keys are enabled. For more information, please refer the manual for detailed abrasive recommendation, parameter setting, and other related details.